Is it time to buy or sell Microsoft stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Microsoft. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 3rd of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 20th of February, 2025, our system has identified Microsoft as a sell candidate, resulting in a score of negative 4.71. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time period. The stock has experienced a loss of 6.64%. This equates to an average loss of 0.83% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock has broken the falling short-term trend down. Initially, a stronger decline is indicated, but false breaks and sell-offs may occur. Nevertheless, a further decrease appears realistic, and any reactions back to the breaking point of $390.31 are considered to be a second chance to exit. According to the fan theory, $351.64 will represent the new bottom line of the next trend, but it is far too early to state this with certainty. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 9.68% over the next 3 months, with a possible return between negative 9.26% and negative 0.268%. In terms of the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 0.334%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 2.29% to 21.02% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $397.37 and $470.15. Our latest daily update for Microsoft includes the headline, Microsoft topped stock price 2.14% on Monday. The Microsoft stock price fell by 2.14% on the last day, which was Monday, the 3rd of March, 2025, decreasing from $396.99 to $388.49. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.27%, with a day low of $386.19 and a day high of $398.82. The price has been moving up and down during this period, resulting in a 4.88% loss over the last 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume also decreased on the last day along with the stock, which is generally viewed as a positive sign, as volume should ideally follow the stock's movements. On that last day, trading volume dropped by 9 million shares, with a total of 23 million shares exchanged for approximately $8.91 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $468.35, while the lowest price came in at $385.58. Currently, the price stands at 17.05%, or $79.86, below the 52-week high of $468.35, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Microsoft recently made headlines by unveiling a new healthcare AI assistant, Dragon Copilot, designed to streamline documentation processes for doctors, potentially improving efficiency in the healthcare sector. This innovation could enhance Microsoft's portfolio in artificial intelligence, driving longer-term growth and positively impacting investor sentiment. Another significant development involves a potential investigation by Levi and Korsinski concerning privacy violations related to Activision's Call of Duty platform. Concerns over mishandled data could lead to legal complications for Microsoft, given its recent acquisition of Activision. Such investigations often raise uncertainty around stock performance in the short term, contributing to downward pressure on share prices. In addition, the company reported a technical bearish signal known as a death cross, a chart pattern that suggests a potential decline in its share price. While this could lead to short-term selling pressure, investors are cautioned to focus on Microsoft's long-term fundamentals rather than reacting to technical signals alone. Moreover, Microsoft's recent advancements in quantum computing including the announcement of its Majorana 1 quantum chip, signify its commitment to innovation. As the quantum computing landscape evolves, this positions Microsoft as a potential leader in the space, promising significant long-term growth potential. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, January 14, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned Microsoft a positive rating with a hold recommendation. On the same day, January 14, 2025, Wells Fargo rated Microsoft as outperform with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, December 18, 2024, UBS rated Microsoft as a buy with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, December 10, 2024, Needham assigned Microsoft a hold rating with a hold recommendation. On the same day, December 10, 2024, Piper Sandler gave Microsoft a neutral rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Microsoft stock a general neutral rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as a strong sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Microsoft. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as the MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near short-term development of the stock. The Microsoft stock currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative forecast. Additionally, there is a general sell signal from the relationship between these two averages, as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, there will be resistance from the levels at $398.28 and $416.97. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, January 28, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 13.13%. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. The trading volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average, convergence, divergence. Buy signal. Pivots, sell signal, recorded 24 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal, noted just 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal, observed 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal, identified 23 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal occurring 21 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal, noted 23 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a sell signal, recorded 23 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal, occurring 18 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Microsoft. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Given the right conditions, the stock may perform poorly in the coming days. Generally, the stock exhibits controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered quite low. Over the past day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of $12.63 between its high and low, which amounts to 3.27%. In the last week, the stock's daily average volatility has been 2.65%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Microsoft, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 24th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $3.20. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Microsoft. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Microsoft is at $414.99. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which means the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing bets only if you are an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for Microsoft from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 31st of January, 2025, Walmsley MAN conducted an insider purchase of 150,581 shares of restricted stock units. On the 31st of January, 2025, Stanton John W. conducted an insider purchase of 151 shares of common stock. On the 31st of January, 2025, Scharf Charles W. conducted an insider purchase of 151 shares of common stock. On the 31st of January, 2025, Rodriguez Carlos A. conducted an insider purchase of 255,987 shares of restricted stock units. On the 31st of January, 2025, Pritzker Penny S. conducted an insider purchase of 240,929 shares of restricted stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 6.779. Overall, insiders purchased 537,927 shares and sold 460,630 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Microsoft stock a good buy? Currently, Microsoft exhibits several negative signals and is trending downward, leading us to anticipate a continued weak performance over the next few days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 4th of March, we expect Microsoft to open higher by $2.68, initiating trading at $391.17. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.